Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of August, 2025, our system has classified CoreWeave Class A common stock as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 20.19%. This amounts to an average loss of 2.52% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible decrease of approximately 23.45% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a decline of 53.94% to an increase of 22.82%. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock includes the headline, Significant Movements in CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price on Friday, moving 11.29% between high and low. The CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price gained 3.52% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, rising from $90.79 to $93.99. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.29%, with a low of $88.58 and a high of $98.58. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 27.45% over that period. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 7 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 34 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $186.94, while the lowest price was $33.51. Currently, the price stands at 49.72%, or $92.95, below the 52-week high of $186.94, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave is back in the headlines after another explosive quarter. Revenue increased by more than 200%, alongside a reported multi-billion-dollar backlog that underscores robust demand for artificial intelligence and cloud services. This remarkable growth has drawn interest from significant buyers and led to an analyst upgrade, with a price target suggesting approximately 2-fold upside potential. Moreover, a prominent quantitative firm has recently revealed a multi-% stake, providing the stock with short-term technical support. However, there are notable risks to consider, including acute financing and execution challenges. Heavy capital expenditures and rising debt are outpacing cash flow. Recent earnings fell short of expectations, and insiders have sold shares following the expiration of the initial public offering lockup period. In the near term, anticipate increased volatility. Selling pressure from lockup transactions and concerns over debt could drive the stock price downward, while upgrades, institutional purchases, and clear customer successes might lead to sharp recoveries. Over the long term, successful execution, transforming the backlog into realized revenue, enhancing free cash flow margins, and reducing the cost of capital could unveil substantial upside potential. Nonetheless, persistent concentration among suppliers, integration risks stemming from mergers and acquisitions, and ongoing reliance on external financing could constrain this upside and heighten the risk of dilution. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned CRWV a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned CRWV a reduce rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CRWV a neutral rating with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $95.19 and $120.19. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 48.8%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some intriguing signals you might consider. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot signaled a sell opportunity 45 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 31 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 71 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave. Class A common stock, CoreWeave Incorporated. Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $92.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant daily fluctuations, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $10 between its high and low, or an increase of 11.29%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may point to ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of $0.003 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $99.51. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock faces its first support level at $92.89. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by McB Brannan, who bought and sold 206,479 shares, or options, in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.431. In total, insiders acquired 5,622,763 shares and divested 9,090,064 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock exhibits multiple negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell recommendation to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, August 25th, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open lower by 273 cents, starting at $93.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.